What up guys, Cam is here and we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's a reaction video, but it's definitely different, but it's like airplane time. But this one particular says a man showing off his on a blind date. I don't know what he's showing off particularly, but I mean the text is very not helpful. I think someone told me that they just do like blind dates, girls ask guys questions that they don't usually ask, then vice versa, the guy asks girls questions that they don't really ask, or you know, they just do a lot of random stuff. So I thought it would be fun to react to this, you know what I'm saying, and just see how it ends. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
자기소개 한번 부탁드립니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 이천에서 온 25살 윤예지라고 합니다.
평소에 소개팅 해보신 적 있으신가요?
아니요, 처음이에요.
단 한 번도 없다?
아니, 5명이랑 해본 건 처음이에요.
The fact that they're doing a blind date with like, I mean, I'm sure like it looks fine like in the video. As this is like rolling, it could, I'm sure it could get really awkward, honestly. Like you're choosing between 5 different people right in front of their face, and I honestly don't even know what they have to do, so let's just continue.
하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네.
안녕하세요.
아, 목소리 좋으시네요. 혹시 섹시하신 분 계신가요?
예!
Not homeboy yelling out, yeah. Is anyone sexy here? Yeah.
예!
Yeah.
발에 털이 아, 발이
발이 좀 작아요.
좀 작으신 편이시네요.
당대가 커서.
아,
Did he really just say that? He really just said that. Wow, this man has the utmost confidence that any guy would want. That's crazy that he just said that.
이분도 발이 작으신 것 같아요. 와, 뒤꿈치가 까지셨네. 아, 평소에 혹시 하이힐 신으시나요?
아니요.
네, 그만 꼬물고. 한 분만 탈락시키면 돼요?
아, 여러분 탈락.
아니.
하나, 둘, 셋.
오바님 죄송합니다.
I'm sorry, what?
Yo, when homeboy showed his face, I did not expect him to look like that. You know what I mean? Like he's yadded up. He is tatted. Like he is super tatted. It was the small feet. Because if you got small feet, then you got... That's a myth, y'all. Don't believe that. Don't be turning down all my small feet men out here. You know what I'm saying? Give them a chance. And then if you see it, then it's like, then that's when you can, yeah.
만져봐도 되나요, 혹시?
어디를? 허벅지를?
허벅지요.
네네.
엄청 딱딱해.
그럼 저는 만지고 들어갈게요.
우와, 더 굵으신데요? 우와. 근데 생각보다 말랑말랑.
Not that she straight up roasted homeboy. She said, "Oh, it looks bigger, but it's squishy." Oh, that hurts me. That would hurt. I would honestly cry right there.
발도 여성스럽고 다리도 되게.
그래서 싫나요?
아니요, 딱히 싫지는 않아요.
그럼 됐습니다.
네.
만져봐도 돼요?
저요?
네.
제가 만지는 거죠?
그쵸.
다리 피부가 엄청 매끈매끈해.
남자 볼 때 어디를 가장 많이 보는 편이세요?
저 치골이요. 혹시 보여주실 분 있으신가요?
Number 2.
She really asked to like see this. Like y'all are watching this with me. Y'all saw her ask them to show her their pelvis. I mean, sure, if you got like the clean cut where it's like shing, 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 like right here, yeah, you know, you pop it. But dang, like you just looked at my feet, my thigh, now you gotta look at my pelvis? She asking for a lot.
네, 충분히 어필하신 것 같아요.
혹시 더 있으신가요?
네, 4번.
다른 걸 봤어요.
뭘 보셨어요?
제 털이요.
죄송합니다.
아니에요. 네.
볼까? 오케이.
하나, 둘,
Before she eliminates, I think she might eliminate number 1 or 2. I know I should only pick one to see if I guess it right, but I'm gonna just say 1 or 2. I feel like 3 and 4 are fine. No way. Bro, I think she's confusing. I don't know. I'm gonna say number 3. She's gonna eliminate number 3.
셋.
저 2번 분 죄송합니다.
예? 예.
네.
I knew I should have kept it number 2. I said 1 or 2. Dang it. Believe in yourself, Cameron. Believe.
시킨 거 다 했는데.
바지가 네 다른 걸 봐야 되는데 바지밖에 안 보여가지고
제가 쇼핑몰에서 파는 거라.
She was supposed to look at feet and thighs, and she asked for pelvis. No one told her to come up in there with some clean shorts. For real. My boy was doing the extra. He was like, I got these dollar signs. I'm gonna let them know what else I got. You know what I mean? But that gave him the L at the end of the day. So, hey, his loss.
네, 그쵸.
아니요. 근데 손 되게 예쁘시다. 잡아도 되나요?
네.
귀여우세요. 손을 떠신다. 근데 혹시 수족냉증 있으세요?
네?
손이 엄청 차시네요. 혹시 제가 힘센 남자 좋아해가지고 사과 부시기 가능하신가요? 손으로?
She wants them to crack an apple with their bare hands. What is this? Is this really how blind dating goes? I'm really surprised that I'm like watching this for the very first time because this is like this is so funny to me.
와 대박. 되게 깨끗하게 쪼개셨어.
5번이 가볼까요?
4번?
이거 사과 약한 거 아니에요? 혹시? 어렵다.
I think now last time I didn't go with my gut and it was that person. So this time I'm actually going to just genuinely go with my gut and I'm going to say she's going to get rid of number 1. Watch me be right.
둘, 셋.
1번님 죄송합니다.
혹시 저 왜 떨어뜨렸는지.
너무 어려웠어요. 그냥 사과 제일 지저분하게 쪼개신 것 같아가지고.
She picked him because he split the apple the messiest. See, that's how you know she really just like trying to like run through these rounds. She like, I can't be here for a long time. She already in an awkward spot choosing between 5 guys. So like, she's just trying to get through it. But I was right. It was number 1. Now we only got my boy 3 and my boy 4 left. Let's see what happens.
4번남 몸이 엄청 좋으셔가지고 취향이 좀 바뀐 것 같아요.
벌써 약간 결과 공개인가요?
그러면 좋아하는 스킨십 따로 있을까요?
뒤에서 앉는 거 좋아해요. 아, 네. 몸에서 좋은 냄새 나요. 네. 아, 좋네요.
그럼 이제 최종 선택을 해주시면 되겠습니다. 이번에는 얼굴을 보고 싶은 분의 번호를 불러주시면 됩니다.
네.
She's gonna choose number 4. Did you see the way she was cheesing the moment homeboy hugged her from behind? The other guy knew he was taking an L. That's a straight L. He knew, like, he understood. I'm sure he already understands. Like he's probably already getting ready to just like leave the studio because he know he lost that.
둘,
4번남이요. 아,
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
혹시 저 왜 뽑으셨나요?
좀 남자다우셔가지고
촬영 끝나고 뭐 할 거예요?
카페에 가실래요?
저도 커피 너무 좋아해서.
Why do they have my homeboy just sitting there in the back? Like he could still be in the studio, but like he's in the shot, bro. He lost. You tell me you having these two come like talk about a day after this shot and everything, while my boy's still standing there and he took a whole L. Bro, they ruthless on this, man. They straight ruthless.
혹시 제가 안고 가도 돼요?
네. 무서운데? 와우.
왜 떨어지신
And she got carried out by a homeboy in front of him. Oh, these are funny. I think I'm gonna continue reacting to these time to time. Didn't expect it to go that way, especially how the title is freaking worded. A blind date is a blind date, but I don't think that's how blind dates go. Like, I don't think that's how it goes, honestly. Maybe we'll see what the guy, if there's a guy version of this, maybe we'll see what the guy does, you know what I mean, in choices of maybe it gives the other girls. I'm glad to check this channel out a bit more and just see exactly what kind of videos they got. Put the comments down below. Let me know if you would have chose any of the other guys than what she chose. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you want more, and hit that notification bell if you want to be one of the first people to know whenever I'm just uploading something on the channel. Now that's going to go ahead and call it a close for this video. Cam is out.